I already sent. Okay, good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank
Fine,
you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so in the last class, we discussed about two imaginary lines. One is axis and the other one is latitudes. Okay. Anubama, please tell me what is an axis. What is an axis?
Ma'am, axis is an imaginary line.
Axis is an imaginary line and which is passing through the center of the earth.
Through the center of the earth.
And it divides the earth into two.
Jelin, are you sure? Before you speak something, just think whether it is right or wrong. Okay, axis is an imaginary line and it is passing through the center of the earth and it connects two poles. What are the two poles, Badra?
And the northern.
What are the two poles?
The northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere.
No. Nerin?
North Pole and South Pole.
North Pole and
Pole.
pole. Axis is an imaginary line which is passing through the center of the earth and it connects two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Okay.
Ma'am, there are
If you look
important
at the
lines of
diagram, you can understand that axis is an imaginary line and it divide. Axis is an imaginary line. Sorry,
divide.
not this one. Okay, axis is an imaginary line and it is passing through the center of the earth and it connects two poles. What are the two poles? North Pole and
South Pole.
then we discussed about latitudes. What are latitudes?
It's a parallel.
Okay, latitudes are also known as parallel lines. Okay, then they do not meet each other. They do not meet each other. They are horizontal lines. They are horizontal lines. Then
And latitudes
okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
How many latitudes are there? Okay, there are 180 latitudes. Latitudes run in an east-west direction. The longest line of latitude is equator and it is also known as Great Circle. It divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So in the last class, we had discussed about axis. Then we discussed about latitudes. Now we are going to discuss about another imaginary line, that is longitude. Okay, longitudes. Longitude is an invisible vertical line. What's the meaning of invisible? Helen Tito? Not visible, that means imaginary. Okay, so longitude is an imaginary line and it is a vertical line. It is what's the meaning of vertical?
Straight.
Okay, straight line. Okay, so longitude is an imaginary line and it is a vertical line that run around the earth from north to south. Okay.
Can you show that latitude?
Okay, we know that longitude is an imaginary vertical line. Imaginary vertical line and it connects two poles. What are the two poles?
North
Pole.
North Pole and South Pole.
And North Pole and South Pole. Okay, longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines. Longitudes are imaginary line and it run from north to south and from north to south. Okay.
But latitudes run east to west.
Yes, latitudes run east to west. It is also known as meridians. It is also known as meridians. That means longitudes are also known as meridians. The most important longitude is prime meridian. The most important longitude is prime meridian. So prime meridian is marked with 0 degree. Prime meridian is marked with 0 degree. Okay, the most important line of longitude is prime meridian. See this one. Okay, the most important line of longitude is prime meridian. Yes.
Ma'am, prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian.
Ah, yes, exactly. Okay, so it is also known as Greenwich meridian. It is also known as Greenwich meridian. Okay, so longitudes are imaginary line and it is running from north to south. It connects North Pole and South Pole. It is also known as meridians. It is also known as meridians. The most important longitude is prime meridian and it is also known as Greenwich meridian. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts or two equal halves. What are they?
Ma'am, east and west.
Okay, western
Hemisphere.
hemisphere. Very good. Western
and
hemisphere and
Eastern
eastern
hemisphere.
hemisphere. Okay, so the prime meridian, otherwise known as Greenwich meridian, it divides the earth into two equal parts. Western hemisphere, then
And eastern hemisphere.
Eastern
Hemisphere and
hemisphere.
Eastern hemisphere.
Okay. Then what is the value of prime meridian?
Ma'am, 0 degree.
0 degree. So there are 360 lines of longitudes. There are 360 lines of longitudes.
Ma'am, latitude has 180.
Okay.
180.
0 to 180 lines lying in the eastern hemisphere. 0 to 180 lines of longitudes lies in the eastern hemisphere.
And another
0
180
to
lines in the
0
western
to
hemisphere. 0 to
180 lines lies in the western
Western
hemisphere. So, dear children, 180 plus 180. What is the answer?
360.
360.
360. So, how many lines of longitudes are there?
360.
360. So, there are 360 lines of longitudes.
And
In that 0 to 180 lies in the eastern hemisphere. Then 0 to 180 lies in the western hemisphere. Okay. That means here 1 degree east, 2 degree east, 3 degree east. Why? Because these lines are lying in the eastern hemisphere. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Then what about this one?
Which one? Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
4 degree
East.
Then here 1 degree
West.
west, 2 degree
West.
3 degree
West.
Lines are lying in the western hemisphere and these lines are lying in the eastern hemisphere. Zero degree.
Degree.
So we know that they are the vertical lines.
And the biggest lines.
They are the vertical lines. Then it
Ma'am,
connect two
connects
poles.
no-
It connects two
Connect
poles.
pole, North Pole and South
North
Pole.
pole and South pole.
divides
So the lines of longitudes
parts.
meet at the poles. If you look at this corner, you can see all the lines of longitudes meet at the poles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See,
It meets at the North Pole and South Pole.
see, this is North Pole and here is South Pole. If you look at the diagram, you can see all the lines are meeting at the poles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So all lines of longitudes meet at the poles. There are 360 lines of longitudes. The prime meridian.
Prime meridian and Greenwich meridian.
Primary is also known as Greenwich
Greenwich
meridian.
meridian.
Okay.
180 degree in
180
180 longitudes in the eastern
180
hemisphere,
degree.
Okay.
on the western
So
hemisphere.
this one is 0 degree. 0 degree longitude. Then this one is 1 degree east. 2 degree east. 3 degree east. Then what about next one?
1 degree.
4 degree east. 5 degree east. 6 degree east. So like that there are 180 lines of longitudes in the eastern hemisphere. So likewise
In the Western Hemisphere.
in the western hemisphere 1 degree west, 2 degree west, 3 degree.
west, 4 degree west, 5 degree west,
5 degree west. And it
So like that here there are 180.
180.
180 plus 180 plus
180
180
west.
makes 360.
360 degree.
So there are 360 lines of longitude.
Lines of longitude.
It is also known as meridians. It is also known as meridians. So prime meridian is also known as Greenwich
Greenwich
meridian because that line is passing through a place called Greenwich in London. So that's why that line is known as Greenwich meridian. Okay,
Excuse me,
because
ma'am.
that line is passing through a place.
Excuse me, ma'am.
The place called Greenwich. Where is Greenwich?
in London.
In London. Where is London?
Ma'am,
Where is London?
where the prime meridian is.
London in Europe. It is one of the country in Europe. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the
Europe is a
last year,
continent.
India, ma'am, not.
Okay. Okay. Longitude is invisible vertical line that run around the earth from north to south. So longitudes are imaginary line and it is a vertical line and it run around the earth from north to south. They are also called meridians. They are also called meridians. They are measured in degrees. They are measured in degrees. As we discussed about latitude, longitudes are also measured in degrees. 0 to 180
East to
lies in the east and 0 to 1 degrees in the west. Just now we said that longitude divide the earth into two
parts.
western hemisphere then
and
eastern
western
hemisphere. So 0 to 180 degree
on
lines
the
of
east.
longitudes lies in the eastern hemisphere. 0 to 180 lines of
the
longitudes lies in the western hemisphere. 0 degree. 0 degree is found in Greenwich in England. So this line is known as prime meridian. So 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian, and it is also known as
Greenwich
meridian. Why it is called Greenwich meridian?
Ma'am, it is passing through a place called Greenwich.
Okay, because it is passing through the place called Greenwich in London.
Ma'am,
So that's why it is known as
United Kingdom, Europe.
yes, UK, United Kingdom.
United.
So that's why it is known as Greenwich
Meridian.
meridian. Okay. Children, can you tell me what are the differences between latitudes?
Ma'am, latitudes are vertical.
Horizontal line as
No, ma'am, sorry.
Wait.
Longitudes are 360.
Excuse me, ma'am. Latitudes are horizontal and longitudes are vertical.
Ah.
Latitudes have 180.
Wait. One by one you can speak. Okay, you can say one by one points.
Okay, ma'am.
So here you have to think what are the differences between latitudes and longitudes, and is there any similarities between them, or are there any similarities between them? Here we discussed about two important imaginary lines. One is latitude and the other one is longitude. So you have learned many points about latitude and you have learned many points about longitude also. So now you have to say me what are the differences between latitudes and longitudes. Let me write one by one point. Okay, I will ask Helen Tito.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what are the differences between latitude and longitude?
And latitudes are horizontal lines and longitudes are vertical lines.
Yes, horizontal lines.
And latitudes are having.
Wait, horizontal lines and longitudes are vertical lines.
And there are totally 180 number of latitudes and longitudes.
Ma'am.
There are 360.
Fia Lijo. Fia. Tell me what are differences between latitudes and longitudes? Jelin Shaiju. Jelin, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you, Jelin. Let me move to Anna Rose.
Hello, ma'am.
Anna, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anna, tell me what are differences between latitudes and longitudes?
Ma'am, longitudes lines run through the north south,
Okay, north, south.
and latitudes is
Then what about latitudes?
Ma'am, east west.
East to west.
Ma'am, can Anupama tell? East or west of the prime.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay. Then Prayan Vinod.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Jelin, you can speak now.
Latitudes divide the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Longitudes divides western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere.
Oh, yes.
Ma'am, can Anupama tell,
Wait.
please?
So latitude, equator, divide the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Then here, prime meridian,
Western.
divide the earth into western hemisphere, then eastern.
Ma'am, can Anupama tell?
Yes, Anubama, you can.
Ma'am, in longitude, 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian, and in latitudes, 0 degree latitude is called equator.
Yeah, 0 degree latitude is equator.
Ma'am, can I say?
Then
also-
0-degree longitude is
Ma'am, also lines of ma'am, also
prime
lines of
Ma'am,
meridian.
lines of
Okay, Bhadra.
latitudes never meet.
Yes, ma'am. Latitude, it is known as
Oh,
parallel.
yes, exactly. Latitudes
And longitude?
never meet each other because they are, Narendran, because they are
Parallel.
parallel lines.
parallel
They are
lines.
parallel lines, but longitudes are meeting at the poles.
Meridian.
They
And
meet
South
at the
Pole and North
poles.
Pole.
Okay, then
longitudes
Amna?
are called meridians.
Amnanam, can you say? Shahad Nabil?
Yes, ma'am.
No. There are 180 latitudes. There are 360.
Longitudes are not
Longitudes.
equal, but latitudes are equal.
Okay, then is there any similarity between latitudes and longitudes?
Ma'am, they
Ma'am, they
They are imaginary lines.
Both are imaginary lines. Yes, both are imaginary lines.
Ma'am, they both divide the earth into two.
Then
Ma'am, they divide the earth into two.
they divide the earth into two equal parts. Very good, very good. They divide the earth into two equal parts. Then they help us
These
to
get
locate the
shorter when
places.
they come to
They
the
help us to
poles.
locate the places. Okay, so these are
And
the
latitudes
similarities
get shorter
between
towards the poles.
latitudes and longitudes. Okay, children?
longitude. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And they both are made of imaginary lines.
Yes, both are imaginary lines. Both are imaginary lines.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am,
Ah. Okay, Rachel, let me take attendance.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.